In this episode, we will be learning how to disable chat sounds on Zangi. To disable chat sounds on Zangi, first of all, open your Zangi application on your mobile device and log into your account. After you're inside the home page of Zangi, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. This will open up the settings tab where you'll need to scroll down and tap on notifications. Inside notifications, go to the message sounds option and make sure that you toggle off the button right next to in-app sounds in all the sound options. I have toggled off the button right next to message sounds and then in-app sounds under group sounds. Once you turn off these two options, you will then be able to turn off. So that is how you easily disable chat sound on Zangi. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.